worst area. I'm type 1 diabetic, and so this has always been my weak point in that front. Like, nobody likes having a translucent hairline, that's for sure. So with my CNC, I typically do a daily wear. Honestly, mostly my daily wear is because I work here. And I like to show people that it's not a big scary thing having a top or a hair replacement. However, when I travel, or if I didn't work here, I'd probably do a long hair bond where I wouldn't have to take it on and off. So always keep in mind with your topper that you choose, whether it's a custom made virgin hair prosthetic like a CNC or something else, there are many methods of attachment. So you'll see today my method of attachment is using clips so that I have daily wear. I will tell you, my hair is getting so thin in the front that the clips don't hold really well here. So if I'm going swimming, I will use double face adhesive, or I'll bond it in the front, even though it's going to be daily wear, because it has to be secure for me or I don't feel comfortable. Right, Sandy?
Correct.
She's like, shut up. I've worked for you for 22 years. I'm tired of listening to your shit.
Never.
Oh, you do. You love me. Not. What you doing, Sandy?
Smoothing out the small, short hairs right through there.
So, let me translate that for you. My gray hair comes in really coarse and coily, and it sticks out like a fuzzball. So, which product are you using? The oil, non-oil. So she's using oil, non-oil by Sierra Labs, and it adds a little bit of weight to those hairs. So she was rubbing and massaging it in. I know, I just talk right over her. This is part of why they love me so much. Not. So there's my CNC. Hi. Hi.
Okay, you have to switch down.
I'm too sexy for my hair. Too sexy for my hair. Oh, oh, oh.
Is it too far back?
Do what?
Is it too far back?
I don't know. I'm blind. I gotta put my glasses on. You guys can see. She's like asking me if my CNC is too far back, but I don't know. I can't see anything. Oh, hey, there I am. No. I mean, honestly, it's daily wear, so I might not get it in the same place every single time, but I usually try to go about a finger's width behind, so it is a little too far back. So we're gonna move it a little bit and move it forward. That's my comfort zone. I like to be a little closer. But that's just called, you know, mess around with it. So, there we go. So once you put your topper in place, then just look at it and be like, okay, is this the spot that makes me most comfortable? So then I take my hair and I blend it in with my CNC topper. And if I'm comfortable with positioning, then we're good. And I like that right there for me because it's about a finger's width behind my hairline. So I feel like I don't have, like, you know, this immense amount of hair around in the front.